Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today I have the part 2 of my Jeffree Star 420 haul to go over with you. Now this was a sale that happened last month on April 20th. So for those of you who missed out on the sale, that's okay. Go ahead and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is listed in the description below. So on my Instagram, whenever I find like a sale I think is really good, I'll put it on my Instagram page and share it with everyone so that you all can have a chance to shop the sales. Now this box is my big savings box. So everything inside of this box costs $4.20. The first thing is this really nice Jeffree Star Cosmetics bag. It's like a marbled bag. I'm going to go ahead and take it out and see what it looks like. It's actually a pretty decently sized bag. And it just has oh look, it has a zipper inside where you can put like little stuff inside the pockets there, and then a bigger pocket for you to put larger items. So I like that. I can't believe this is only $4.20. Crazy. Next item here is one of his iconic lip scrubs. This one's in the scent Rainbow Sherbet. Now, I don't own any of his lip scrubs yet, so I was really excited to see one of these on sale. And as always, on point with the packaging. And let's just see what this smells like. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks like the consistency that I like, where it has grains in it, but it still has like some oily texture to it. So I'll have to try this out and let everyone know how I think this scrub works, but it looks like a good scrub. My next item is a palette, which is Mini Controversy palette. This is they had two versions of this. I think this is one with the green in it. But yeah, $4.20 for this. I couldn't believe it because this is a $28 value product here. I think right now they do have it on Nordstrom Rack for like $15, but still it can't beat the $4.20 price. And this is the palette here. Let's go ahead and get some swatch of this. I'm going right for that green because it looks so pretty and it's like calling my name. Oh my gosh. That color, oh. In love. Let's do Canceled because I really like blues too. Really pretty. And Controversy. Let's see this one. Really bright, really fun colors, but then we also got a couple like more neutral colors, which this color would be good with most of the looks too. It's just like a muted gold almost. Champagne-ish looking color. Yeah, this is a really good palette. Look at this simulation one. This is another blue one, but it's like a shimmer blue, royal blue. There's a little bit of powder in there, but it's eyeshadow, so we're going to have that from time to time, but just look at the pigmentation on those. Love it. And now I have this to go with the full-size palette because I picked up the full-size palette when they were closing it out on Jeffree Star's website. So I was able to pick that up, and now I have the complete set with the miniature one. And then the next product in here. So the only thing about this 420 sale, like if you don't get a bunch of stuff, like you're going to have to pay shipping. But even with paying $13 for shipping, which sounds outrageous, I got everything in this box plus shipping plus taxes for only $40, which I think is amazing. This next product here is a mirror. Yes, another mirror, ladies. I love them. And this, I think, is the pig mirror. Yeah, pearlescent pig mirror. I had my eye on this one for a while, but I was not about to pay $30 full price for that. So $4.20 I can definitely do. And these mirrors, in my opinion, were the best bargain of the whole sale just because of their price and their quality. This is back up to $30 now on their website. So if I can get this opened, I'll show it to you all. Okay, wow. This is another big one. So this reminds me of the green one we opened up yesterday. If you guys didn't see part 1 of the video, I do have it posted and is available to watch. But this is the mirror here. This is a really, really nice mirror. And I'll just show you real quick. See how big the actual mirror part is? Wow, amazing. I can't believe I got this, and I'm really happy to add to my collection because I'm pretty sure, I don't know, but it seems like most of the other Shane Dawson stuff on the website has been like clearanced out. There's a couple things left here and there, but like all the lippies and stuff are cheaper. Anyways, there's that. And I got one. Oh no, I got a couple more products in here. So this is another version of like the one we got yesterday. But like I said, everything in here is $4.20. So the other one was on sale for $17.40. So this one was significantly cheaper. And actually, I think they sold so many of these that there's no longer any available to purchase on the website anymore. Okay, and this is another big one. I got a bunch of big ones now, but this is what it looks like here. It's not as flattering as the other one that I have, but honestly, still for the price, I'm happy with it. I think it was a good purchase. Just another one to add to my collection. I wonder how many I can have room for it to fit. Okay, and the last item in here are, oh sweet, is a reusable drinking straw set with a cleaning brush. I think these normally go for like 20 bucks, but they had all his sets on for $4.20 because I think shortly after 4/20 is also Earth Day. So he was trying to honor that too by putting some of his more eco-friendly stuff on sale. I love it just because I do use straws. A lot of people don't know this, but actually it's better for your teeth to use straws, especially if you have like a sugary drink. It's better to use a straw so it's not going over all of your teeth. But these are really cute little straws. I think they're metal, which I was hoping they were. I was hoping they weren't plastic ones, but they look like really good quality. And I love that it has a brush that comes with it to clean it. Just because like I don't have one and I have a couple reusable straws, and makes you wonder how clean they really are if you can't really get in there good and clean it out with this pipe cleaner. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 straws inside of this packaging. And this is the same one I got with my other order, but normally like I get a different one with every time I get an order from him. So this one is the same as I got yesterday, I think, but that's okay. I think it was really cute. They put in like these little postcards for you of Jeffree Star. It's like a little photograph of him or whatever. Anyways, I also got my Glam Bag X in the mail, and we're getting ready to go over that. So stay tuned for my Glam Bag X if that's something you're interested in. Keep your eyes out for that video. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.